What's up guys, it's only a few days before the official launch of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, which leaves just enough time for another leak. A Galaxy Note 10 being used in the wild has finally been captured on video. Yeah guys, no doubt this is a huge leak. Now there are two possible explanations behind this huge leak, which was posted on Baidu and shows a person using a Galaxy Note 10 Plus prototype on the subway. The first and less likely explanation is that this Samsung employee is quite stupid and decided to use an unreleased smartphone in public that's supposed to remain hidden. The second is that the Samsung employee was authorized to use the phone in the wild. In either case, this is our first look ever at Samsung's unreleased Galaxy Note 10 Plus on video, sort of. As you can see in the screen capture and in the video, there's something wrong with this Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The display is flat. Were all the leaks and rumors wrong? Is Samsung ditching its signature curved screen? Of course not. This Note 10 Plus is a prototype intended solely for testing, and so it doesn't have the phone's final design. This is definitely still the real deal though, and you can see how amazing that all-screen whole point design looks in the real life. Samsung is set to unveil Galaxy Note 10 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus during a press conference in New York City on Wednesday, August 7th. The phones are then expected to be released on August 23rd after a lengthy pre-order period. So yeah, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace.
Beats by